Alright, welcome back guys once again, and today we're gonna be talking about how we can create multi-pages website into the Grapes.js editor. So you can see right now I have opened my editor and you can see there's a page. So how we can create a multi-pages website. So if you preview this page, so I've already done it. So if you click on the home button, so you can see you are coming over here. If you go on the about page, so you can see coming over here. So if you see this page, so there's an app bar that I have already interconnected this app bar. So you can see you click on it now. On clicking of this link, so you can see I have put over this hash over here. I'm putting a hash over here, like it should not go anywhere because I'm making this page as a home page. Okay, save it. And if I click on this about page, so you can see I have put a route over here. So that route belongs to a different page that's gonna be served when I will click on the about page on the preview. So let's save it and just see how it looks like. So you can see my home pages look like this. This is the same page what I have edited into the editor. So if I click on the home page, it's not going anywhere because this is my home page and I don't want to go anywhere. Okay, let's suppose I have selected this page and save it. So you can see if I would going to preview this page, so you can see this page looks like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so you can see if I click on this about, so you can see this is coming over here. If I click on the home page, so it's not going anywhere. Okay, so about home page, so what I need to do, I need to change the route of the home page. Okay, so what I need to do is go back and just copy this URL from here and just go into the home page and just put it over here. Okay, and just save it. So it's gonna be saved. If I preview it again, so you can see this is coming over. If I click on the home page, it's going over here, and if I click on about page, so it's coming on this page. So that's the kind of switching you need to do when you are creating the pages from the Grapes.js editor. And what Grapes.js does, Grapes.js just serve the static site, edit the static pages like HTML, CSS. That's a thing you can only do. And also if you want to provide some JavaScript, and also you can make your custom and you can edit the JavaScript as well into this, but you need to write the code for that. You cannot create the script with the editing into the Grapes.js. So the editor just do edit like HTML and CSS, like you need to create the component over here. Once you drag it, it's gonna become. But for creating a multi-pages website, you need to link those pages out with each other. So if you see into this canvas, so you can say I have 6 pages, but I have used only 2 pages for showing you like a demo that you can create by your own. So I just edit these pages, and so I have edited this page. And if I go on the preview page, so you can see this comes like this. If I click on the home page, it is coming over here, and about page this is going. So I just interlink those pages with the link. So if you see, you will get into the editor this kind of field href where you need to put your link and you're gonna be interconnected. So that's how we can create and we can link the multiple pages. So I hope you guys understood, and if you have any kind of issue, like you can comment down into the comment section, and if you don't understand anything, just let me know, and you can also email me. So I'll get back to you and I will make sure I will resolve that issue. Okay, so and if you want some more videos on Grapes.js, so just tell me your issues, like on which topic I should make. So I'm very glad to make the video on that. So thank you so much guys, thank you for watching. Until then, bye bye. I will meet you in the next